This is Adam. He owns a business. He is a do-it-yourself kind of guy. Like many business owners, Adam wants his business to be always ahead of their competition. Over the years, Adam's client base grew and grew until it came to a point he was always frustrated when project issues arise. With more companies turning digital, Adam is losing his customers to the competition. Adam did the unexpected. He got the services of a full-service digital agency. So what exactly does a full-service digital agency do? A full-service digital agency provides your company strategic, creative, and technical direction, ensuring your business is future-proof. Design the future today. From your brand identity to brand strategy, including the technology, regulatory and compliance. Now Adam has more time for his family, friends, and office mates. His business grew and grew and grew. Do you want your company to be like Adam's? Book a free consultation on our website www.mrdesign.com.